Mau tonu ana ki ngā mahi a tāne rorea hine rehia ko te kapa haka o Aroha Noa o te kāhui Grace Foundation. Tētahi e hia moana ki te tū ki te papatū waiwai. Ki reira haruru ai te tuakiritanga, te wairua whakahi me te whakapapa. Hei oranga ngākau, hei pikinga waiora. He kapa makau ki te mātini-tini i tana tū waiwai tapu atu ki te whakatatai arohe o Tāmaki makaurau kua hori. Eri te pai ana te kapa ki te tū anō hei te mutunga wiki nei, kaua noa ki te haka. Engari hoki ki te whakaatu i ngā hua o te manawaroa o te rā o te hoki ki te ao Māori.
Aroha Noa is made up of the residents of the Grace Foundation. Grace Foundation look after the community. You hear some of these stories. Got some hard men in there. But really they just want to be loved. I feel honoured to hear them. Some of it, pretty rough. Yeah, I think that's the unique thing about them too, is they got that real rough kapa, and there's no doubt when we go out there on Saturday that they're ready for it.
Kapa is so unique because it's so colourful. Most of them didn't grow up around their te ao Māori or kapaka in general, so it's cool for us to be able to teach them all of those things.
That your Tāmaki men and women are together.
Kapa haka is who I am. It's my identity. It's a place where I feel worthy and seen and like I'm enough.
I'm so proud of her. Like, I don't think she knows how proud I am of her. Yeah, because it's a big mahi to do, and yeah, I just think she's doing it so well.
I just think we're just only in competition with ourselves to be better than we were yesterday and just to keep showing up for ourselves.
I just wanted to give a big shout out to all the rōpū standing this Saturday. It's a hard mahi, hard job. So yeah, give it your all, and I wish everybody nothing but good luck.